coming up. I think I'm going to be needing some tires. So going over to CT Tires right here in Reseda. Right there on Reseda and Satacoy. Been going there for a while. I'm usually a Dunlop guy. All my tires I've gotten are all Dunlop. But for some reason they can't get the Dunlop front tire. The American Elite said he was having trouble getting them. Probably won't get them in until like the end of August. So I think I'm going to try a new tire, which is Michelin Commander 3. Let me know what you guys think about that tire. I asked a couple of my buddies, Davey. He swears by them. He swears they're really good. All right, at the CT Motorcycle Tire Shop right here in Reseda. For the 18 Street Glide, what am I going to go with? The Michelin Commander 3s or the Dunlop Elites? Let me know what I should get, and let me know what you think I'm going to get. My boy right here went with the Dunlops. He ended up getting the Dunlops. He was going to get the Michelins, but he ended up going with the Dunlops right here. Beautiful bike. And this one right here is looking for a white wall. He has an A-Bond, but they don't make A-Bond anymore. Beautiful 05 Road King. And this is the shop right here. Underneath the tree right here. Always got shade. So I still don't know what I'm going to get. I don't know if I'm going to get the Dunlops or the Michelin. So we'll see. Alright, so he found the 16 for the Dunlop and a 19 for the Dunlop front. So I guess I'm getting the Dunlop. I was going to get the Michelins, but he has the set right here. So I guess it's the Dunlop. I guess we both got the Dunlop. He found it for the front tire.
So your front tire is bigger?
It's a 19.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Show your new rubber.
All right, so where you going with me?
Oh, 130 Shinko.
Okay.
And it's a 130, 70, 18.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
All right, all right.
It's going to be a little bit smaller profile, but the white wall will be there.
Cool, man.
Yeah, that's how I...
All right, Brad. Talk to you later, brother.
Something special for him.
The bike every day anyway. All right.
Enjoy your weekend.
Thank you. You too.
See you on the road, brother.
Well, got the Dunlops, American Elite.